Hey guys, happy Friday everybody. How's it going? What a week. Have you been having a week? It's Maria from PA Dance Network, and today is Freedom Friday here at our studio, and I wanted to share with you quickly 5 things that you can do to help create more freedom in your life. And some of these things are going to sound really simple, and that's the point. They're simple and they create pretty dramatic results. The first one is to get more sleep. I know everybody's pretty much exhausted out there. Get more sleep. So important. So how do you do that? One thing that I find really helpful at night is to sort of turn off the cell phone in the evening and just maybe listen to some soothing music or put on a nice guided meditation or just do some reading at night before bed. Also having some chamomile tea before bed helps to relax you, and literally just giving all of your cares and concerns that you may be going through, just turn them over to the divine. Just turn them over to the source of unconditional love and say, here, you guys take care of this so that I can get some sleep tonight. We need to have some rejuvenating, nourishing sleep. Many of us are sleep deprived, and that causes imbalances in our thinking. It causes our immune system to go wacky, a number of other things that I don't need to go into right at this moment. But getting more sleep is really important. If you are listening to, heavy music, rock music, or music that has bad vibes in it or negative connotations, or if you're watching a movie at night or your TV is on and it has violence in it, or, killings and ugly stuff like that, and then you go to sleep in that energy, that works on your subconscious all night long, and it will stop you from getting good, nourishing sleep. So I would suggest doing whatever you can to create like a little sanctuary for yourself before you go to bed. Just like we do for babies. We put on the peaceful music, get them all cozy in their blankets. Maybe we rub them, pat their back. We have to do these things for ourselves. It's just so important. So some different ways that you can get better sleep at night and to soothe yourself into a more restful state. Okay. Second thing would be stop doing so much. Stop doing so much and staying busy every moment of every day. Allow yourself to rest. Take a little bit of a back seat in your own life and allow yourself to just be. We're human beings, not human doings. Yes, we do a lot. And do you know that we actually will never get everything done? There's always something else. There's always going to be something else to take care of. There's always going to be something else to do. So our second tip here is to just allow yourself to be and give yourself more rest. It's very interesting when I share this with clients and students because they go, well, but I just have so much to take care of and I can't really get to myself. I'm like the last person on the totem pole. Well, that's just the problem. You got to put yourself up on the top of the totem pole. And you do have to make time for yourself. We've got to do that. It's so important, and it helps to bring that sense of freedom, that vitality back. But if you are always busy doing or if you're always busy worrying, you put yourself in a state that allows you to be kind of unproductive and also pretty much exhausted. So you can see the theme that's going on here. Okay, and besides the ego mind doesn't like it if we rest because we think, oh my gosh, we're going to drop the balls and things aren't going to get done. And what I found in my life was when I got off of that crack, I call it crack because it's kind of addictive behaviors. When I got off of that, way of thinking and the way of perceiving myself, I realized that I could actually prioritize what the most important things were for the day, and whatever else fell through the cracks was just fine. And it was actually stuff that didn't really need to be done anyway. But taking care of myself was more important than striving and achieving and getting all of these things done. Again, we're not going to finish every single task that we have to do in any given day. That's just the nature of things. So give yourself some more rest. Give yourself some downtime. That's really important, where you don't do anything. The third thing that I wanted to share about how to create more freedom in your life is to read inspiring things. Find some great authors that you enjoy. Read posts that inspire you. Get connected with people who share inspiring things. The more you uplift your energy and you connect with things that are inspiring as opposed to things that weigh you down, the better you're going to feel. So read some inspirational posts. Read some wonderful self-help inspiring books created by awesome people who have lived it. And they're assisting and helping people to move out of these denser versions of themselves. So read something inspiring. And that goes along with my first post about getting more sleep. It's good. It's nice. Reading at night before bed is a great time to reprogram your subconscious. And if you do that before bed, it helps you to get tired too. And then you can just go into a nice cozy sleep. The other thing about sleep, while I'm talking about it, is don't be upset with yourself if you actually need more sleep than you give yourself. It's okay. It's okay. You know, maybe you need to go to bed earlier at night. Maybe you need to sleep in a little later depending on what your work schedule is, but you got to kind of learn to balance and give yourself the basics of great health. You got to give that to yourself. Nobody's going to come in and say, "Hey, Susie, you need to get more sleep. So here, let's make you do it." No, there's no one that's going to do that. I'm knocking at your door right now, but I can't literally make you go to sleep. You have to do that. You have to befriend yourself in a way that is inspiring and creative and powerful and uplifting, so that you can live the healthiest, happiest, most beautiful life possible. And it truly is possible. Okay, so that was step number 3, about read something inspiring. Number 4, this is a good one. Drink more water. When we drink water, we flush out our system and we allow for new possibilities to come in. We allow for the body to get clear. The mind gets clear. The cells open. They get nourished. Good things happen in the body when we drink more water. And I'm talking about fresh, pure water, not water that's full of chemicals or carbonated water or anything like that. I'm talking about just fresh, pure well water. If you don't have a well, if you have city water, make sure you're filtering it. Get a filter. You can also put a drop or 2 of essential oils in it. The essential oils that I use and so many of our clients and students, doTERRA, that is an amazing, beautiful oil that you can ingest. Most essential oils you cannot ingest, so don't go out and just ingest anything. doTERRA essential oils, you can ingest many of those oils. Reach out to me if you would like some further help on that, and I can help you to get those oils as well. But drink more water. Yes, you'll have to go to the bathroom more, but it's worth it. It's worth it. Your body craves water. It craves it. It really needs water. And a lot of times when you get groggy in the middle of the day, or a lot of times when you feel hungry, you're really thirsty. So fuel that body with more water. And number 5, our last freedom tip for the day, is do some stretching and meditation. So important. Especially if you don't move your body at all. Get on the floor and do some stretching. Doesn't matter what it looks like, just get the body flowing. When you flow the energy in the body, you start feeling better. It doesn't take long. You don't have to break a sweat. You just need to appreciate that your physical body needs your help. Your body needs your help. I can make suggestions all day long to you, but in the end, you're the one that has to take those actions for self-care. Okay? So what I'd like to do is, for any of you that are listening live, or if you listen to this evening and you reach out to me tonight before 7:30 and you would like to join in on our online Friday night detox class. It's a 30-minute gentle stretch with guided meditation that I will give to you as a gift tonight. If you have never tried our program, if you would like to do that, you can message me privately or comment, and I will give you the login details for that. It's part of our online yoga membership, and tonight is awesome because it's going to be a great reboot for the full moon, and it will give you step number 5, and it will help you to do step number 1, which is get better sleep and get rested. Okay, so if you'd like to share in that this evening, I'm happy to gift you with the class tonight, and reach out to me on that. Otherwise, please give us a like, give us a love, share with your friends. The more people that we bring to these posts, the healthier and happier we can help to bring these messages to others who need upliftment and who actually need what it is that we're teaching here. So thank you so much. Have a beautiful night. Again, if you'd like to join me tonight from 8 to 8:30 online, please let me know. I'll be happy to share the login details with you. Visit Facebook here, and also we have other posts and other meditations, and you can look at dance videos over on our YouTube page. So thanks. Have a wonderful night. Hope to see you later online for the Friday night detox. Bye.